Hey friends, let me show you a fun rustic idea for those freebie farmhouse animals. They're so stinking cute and you're going to love this. We have this awesome additive called Sea Spray, and you just add a little water, add a little paste, and you can use it to create a rustic farmhouse look. Isn't this awesome? Okay, once all that's dry, you can make another concoction with vanilla or whatever color you like, a little water, a little Sea Spray. Paint your project, dry it, and y'all, when you sand this off, it looks like old weathered wood. Something perfect for the cottage or farmhouse or rustic look. You name it, you can create it. Isn't this awesome? Anyway, I wanted to share this idea. I don't have mine yet, but one of our designers created this, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. So if you want to add some color, if you want to leave them plain, put some raffia on them, you can use any of our paste colors on it and make it look any way you like. The perfect little cottage look. Y'all, these are so stinking cute. And add a little wax before you put your transfer on there. Grab your favorite colors and just have fun with it. I cannot wait to see what y'all do with yours. And listen, if you're a Perks member or a designer, you can get these free while they last with a $65 US order or $84 Canadian order. I'll put the link in the comments. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.